Hi everyone. Today we discuss about the topic comments in Java. What is comments? Comments are description about the features of a program. Why should we write comments? We write comments in program. We can understand the program easily as well as others follow your code easily and understand better way because of comments. Suppose we have three types of comments: single line comments, multi-line comments and Java documentation comments. We write the comments in one line, that comes under single line comments. Multi-line comments, we give the description about the product or software in multiple lines, that will write in multiple lines. We can take it as multi-line comments. For that reason we discuss the comments. అసలు ఈ కామెంట్స్ అన్నది సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారు? ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. అసలు అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఏంటంటే అండి, ఈ కామెంట్స్ని ప్రాజెక్ట్లో యూజ్ చేయటం వల్ల మనం ఏదైనా ఒక కొత్త ఫీచర్ని డెవలప్ చేసామనుకోండి, ఆ ఫీచర్ని డెవలప్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ ఫీచర్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కోసం మనం ఈ కామెంట్స్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకుంటాము. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇప్పుడు నేను కోడ్ రాశాను కొత్త ఫీచర్ గురించి, ఆ కోడ్ని వేరే ప్రోగ్రామర్ అన్నది మన ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి. అలాంటప్పుడు ఈ కామెంట్స్ రాయటం వల్ల టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ ఎవరైనా ఆ కోడ్ని ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకొని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయడానికి అన్నది యూజ్ అవుతుందన్నమాట. సో ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ గురించి కానీ, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ గురించి కానీ, టెక్నాలజీ గురించి కానీ ఈ కామెంట్స్ అన్నవి మనము ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయటం వల్ల మనము ఆ కోడ్ని ఈజీగా ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చు, ఈజీగా ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఆ ఫ్యూచర్ గురించి మనం తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఉంటుందన్నమాట. సో అందుకని మనము ఈ కామెంట్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఫ్యూచర్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ దట్ రీజన్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫస్ట్ కామెంట్. These are nothing but these are description of a features of a product software or any technology. Advantage: understand, we can easily understand, and reusable. Reusable means if you write the program, then other programmer easily understand your program and integrate in project. మనం రాసిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ కోడ్ అర్థమైతేనే అది ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది? విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ కామెంట్స్. దే గివ్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ అబౌట్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. సో అందుకని ఆ అర్థమైన కోడ్ని మన సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట. Three types of comments are available. Single line. These comments are for making a single line as a comment. For that reason we can write single line comments with / symbol. Start with whatever we write up to end of the line, it comes under single line comment. For example, this is a single line comment. Till the end of the line, up to here we can consider as single line comment. Other comment, multi line comment. It means we give the description in multiple lines. We can start with slash star. Suppose this is a Java language. And second line comes to first program. Class. These three lines considered as comment. For that reason, we can write like this. How we can write multiple line comment, multi-line comment? Start with slash star. Whatever, how many lines you want to write, keep it in between slash star and in between the lines of star hash. This comes under multi-line comment. We have other comment, that is Java API document, Java documentation comments. Third one is Java documentation comment. Java documentation comment. With the help of these comments, we can create a API document. API document is nothing but a HTML file. It provides the all features of a product or software or technology. With the help of this HTML file, we read all the features of a software. How to write Java documentation comments? For that reason, we can use slash embl star, one more star, till like this. If you want multiple lines, you can comes like this. For example, I give description of a package. When we write in Java program, we use as packages. At the same, and one more thing, for that reason we can write like this. We would like to give the description about the package. How to write package? Package name. We can write like this, packages in Java. We can write like this the package name. This is the Java documentation comment. I would like to write description of a class. We can write classes in Java class. For that reason, I would like to description about class. Description of a class. So, class name. I can write the description about the class. So, class name. What we can write in a Java program? We can write methods also. I would like to give description about the method. How can I write Java documentation comment? Description of a method. Method name. We can write like this of Java documentation comments. how this appears in HTML document. This is the API document for the Java documentation. Description of a package. Here package name A1. I take class name I take A, otherwise B. I take class name B. Description of a class B anamata. The same way method how can we write? We can return the type of method void or any int. So we take like this. Add is the method I used in add two numbers. I don't want to return anything, so we can write method add description of a method. So we can get the API document like this. We get the all features. Suppose package feature, class feature, method feature. We will get the HTML document of API document. API document is nothing but a HTML file. It having the extension .html. With the help of this document, we can easily understand all the features of a program or software, anything. Once again we repeat, comments in Java. We have three types of comments: single line comments, multiple line comments, and Java documentation comments. If for making a single line as a comment, we can go for single line comment. We would like to multiple lines about the feature, then we can go for multiple line comments. I want to give all features of the product in a single file. At the time, I can go for Java documentation comments. We can keep all these documents in a single HTML file. We can create like this. We have one compiler, Java doc. This is the one compiler for creating the API document. This compiler available, Java doc. How we can compile our Java class? With the help of JavaC compiler. At the same time, we would like to create API document. We have this compiler, Java doc compiler. With the help of this compiler, we can create the API document. Thank you, friends. This is all about comments. If you have any doubts, keep it in comments. I will explain any doubts. If you like my content, like, share and subscribe Bhargavi Royal. Thank you everyone.